takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family, and his words is bond.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in my videos, what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. So the videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you'll like the videos, just subscribe to the channel, and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. And thank you. Here we have the Father's Day exhibit at the McGuire Air Force Base Exchange for the Molding a Man product line. From the clothing line to the books, all the other gear, the bracelets, everything we have on display. This is the first day for the sale before Father's Day. The 3 books, the gift set, the Molding a Man pop-up shop at McGuire Air Force Base Exchange. What you're looking at is the first day of the pop-up shop at the Air Base BX, and this is for the Father's Day weekend, and we have the outfits for sale and 3 books that every man should own are all on sale at this pop-up shop at Fort Dix McGuire Air Force Base Exchange. And we had one during the Christmas holidays, and this is the second one in this environment. And it does quite well for those of you that are really into appreciating your fathers and your dads. These items that I have here for sale are a very good gift that I think any wife, son, daughter would want to give to their father on Father's Day. Come on by. Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. Come get a gift that says how much you love and appreciate your father or your dad for being the man that he is. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
What the sound is, everybody knows what they bout to hear. More than a man, it's nothing to play with. More than a man, takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family, and his words is bond, so stand with thee.